Connector is a sociable person with a large amount of people in their social circles. In today's digitally connected world, a connector can make connections faster than ever using social media. We connect online using connector.ie, connector.tv, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and the Connector Easy. Conor is a connector who has been making many connections and joining the dots using social media and events.
Hi, I'm Conor from Connector. Connector connects people online and offline for new personal and professional relationships. I know lots of people and I like to share my connections. Connector brings the Facebook generation face to face in a friendly atmosphere.
Connector social networking social events happen once a month in Dublin. They are an evening of light entertainment, guest speakers and social networking. We also meet up for Connector lunches.
We ran a Connector Tribe event featuring 10 of Dublin's online communities. Tribes are groups of people connected to one another, connected to an idea. Communities or tribes are groups with a shared passion in areas like music, art, film, technology, environment, fashion, business, sport and many, many more.
Connector is sponsored by relevant brands who add value with prizes and free refreshments such as food and drink. Our biggest sponsorship to date was the Connector Canon Digital Video Contest. Hollywood actor Liam Cunningham presented Martin Moylan with the Gold Award.
Our goal is to share our connections and knowledge both online and offline. We specialise in community marketing consultancy and running workshops. Connector connects the dots between people, communities and brands, both online and offline. In social media marketing, great concepts and content make for great connections and conversations.
Connector would like to thank all our friends, contributors, presenters and sponsors for their help in the journey so far. It's been a real team effort. Let's connect again real soon.